Hello, today we are going to try to fix one of those two air pump and compressor from Parkside that is battery operated. I already own one unit like this and it was absolutely great. I give it out as a present. But for myself, I purchased this unit. It was described having problem with the digital control, and in my mind I've got idea that we could make a component board repair and try to fix it, but sadly it was water damage, the board, so it was totally absolutely impossible to fix. And what I did, I just skipped the controller and I make it operate just by that switch. But I put the model number in search, and recently I purchased this unit and it is defective, also customer return. So the idea is that we are going to be swapping the control display into that unit, or we are going to transfer pump into that unit because seller tell that it basically smell burn. So we are 100% going to get a good fix. Let's try to plug in the new model and we are going to see what's going on. Let's check that the display is working, and looks like yes, we've got a success. So we can transfer that board, but let's take a look what's wrong with it. So first we try the air pump. Okay, so looks like the air pump is broken because nothing is happening. Let me set pressure and let's try the compressor. And the compressor is working fine. So we've got broken air pump, and I'm pretty sure we are going to transfer it and we are going to get this unit. And this is nicer unit because it's got also a flashlight. So I hope they use the same air pump. Let's try to make a swap. There is only one thing that I can tell you, and the build quality is great, and also Parkside make a great job of using exactly the same length of screw even on the handle. Of course I forget the last one, and now it should open, and this is how it presents. Here is our compressor side, and that part is operational absolutely without any problem. Just take a look. It is quite nice. Sad part, they've got the only sad part is we've got a plastic gearbox, like a nylon, but maybe it is to protect it against burning. Maybe it will just rip out one of those teeth and didn't catch fire. And this is our air pump. It is quite nice. We can see we've got a ferrite bead, so we are protected against electromagnetic interference. Most likely the microprocessor didn't like it, and transferring that is going to be one of the most easiest job ever done. And I think here is the protection lens for our LED indicator. It is quite interesting device. We've got a cutout for those. Quite funny. Let me open the second one and we are going to do transfer. And we've got access to our donor, and as you can see, we can easily transfer that module. If there is someone who hates Parkside, then they could say we are starting doing the Manhattan transfer. And if you don't know what does it mean, then you are welcome to Google it out. I assume the red is going to be marked as positive, as you can see, so that's why I'm desoldering it like that, like I would know what I'm doing. Okay, this is the good one from the old device. That end is being used for attaching holes, as you can see. Very clever design to make it cheap and easy to service. If we've got access to spare parts, then it will be crazy simple and easy job. Let me see. The black one is negative, so I would assume the positive is going to be blue, which is counterintuitive, but we are going to test it. Let's nicely solder it. We go like this. And we need to try if we've got a suction here. This is our Manhattan transfer. Just take a look. And we need to attach the battery. And will it work? And we've got proper direction. The air is coming out. So as you can see, we did absolutely beautiful job, and we've got our device fixed for around 1/10 of price. We are ready to try it out. Let's see first the air pump. Working like charm. The compressor side, we power our panel. We set the desired pressure. I'm in a bar. We go into compressor. We lock the holes. And it's working perfect. So as you can see, we did two things. First of all, we purchased it for fraction of price. So we pay like 1/10 of the price. But second most important, we save it from like a landfill. So we make a good deed. And also we've got a lot of spare parts, because if the compressor fail or this hose, I've got a spare parts. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.